Another day, another story. SMS, or short message service, has been a ubiquitous feature of mobile phones since the 1990s. While messenger apps have become incredibly popular in recent years, there are still several reasons why SMS is superior. First, SMS is built into every mobile phone and doesn't require any additional apps or downloads. This means that it's accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical proficiency or whether they have a smartphone or not. Second, SMS is incredibly reliable. Unlike messenger apps, which can be affected by internet outages, SMS messages are sent over a dedicated network that is separate from the internet. This means that SMS messages are much less likely to fail or be delayed due to connectivity issues. Third, SMS is incredibly secure. Because SMS messages are sent over a dedicated network, they are much harder to intercept or hack than messages sent over the internet. This makes SMS a preferred method of communication for many businesses, governments, and other organizations that need to ensure the privacy and security of their messages. Finally, SMS is incredibly simple and straightforward. Unlike messenger apps, which can be cluttered with features and settings, SMS is a basic, no-frills way of communicating. This makes it a preferred method of communication for people who value simplicity and ease of use. In conclusion, while messenger apps have their advantages, there are still several reasons why SMS is superior. It's reliable, secure, and accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical proficiency or whether they have a smartphone or not. While messenger apps may continue to grow in popularity, it's unlikely that they will ever fully replace SMS as the preferred method of communication for many people. What is two-way SMS, and how does it work? Two-way SMS is a communication service that allows businesses or individuals to send and receive text messages with their customers or contacts. Unlike traditional SMS, which only allows for one-way communication from sender to recipient, two-way SMS enables recipients to reply to messages and engage in a conversation. Two-way SMS works by using a virtual mobile number or shortcode. A virtual mobile number is a dedicated phone number that is used exclusively for sending and receiving text messages. Shortcodes are shortened versions of phone numbers, usually consisting of 5 or 6 digits. When a business or individual sends a message to a customer or contact using two-way SMS, the message is sent from their virtual mobile number or shortcode. The recipient can then reply to the message, and their reply is sent back to the virtual mobile number or shortcode. The service provider then forwards the reply to the sender's email address or mobile phone. Two-way SMS is used by businesses for a variety of purposes, including customer support, marketing, and sales. For example, a business might send a text message to a customer with a question or request, and the customer could then reply with their answer or request. This allows for real-time communication and can help businesses build stronger relationships with their customers. Overall, two-way SMS is a powerful communication tool that enables businesses and individuals to engage in real-time conversations with their customers or contacts. It's easy to set up and use and can be a highly effective way to improve customer satisfaction and engagement. Use cases for two-way SMS. Two-way SMS has a wide range of use cases across various industries. Here are some examples of how businesses and organizations can use two-way SMS. Customer support. Businesses can use two-way SMS to provide customer support by allowing customers to ask questions and receive quick responses. This can help businesses improve customer satisfaction and reduce the workload of customer support teams. Appointment reminders. Healthcare providers, salons, and other businesses that require appointments can use two-way SMS to send reminders to customers and allow them to confirm or reschedule appointments. Order updates. E-commerce businesses can use two-way SMS to send order updates to customers, including shipping and delivery notifications, and allow customers to track their orders and provide delivery instructions. Surveys and feedback. Businesses can use two-way SMS to send surveys and feedback requests to customers, allowing them to provide feedback and suggestions. Marketing and promotions. businesses can use two-way SMS to send marketing messages and promotions to customers and allow them to respond to the messages to take advantage of the offers. Emergency alerts: organizations such as schools, governments, and emergency services can use two-way SMS to send alerts and updates during emergency situations and allow recipients to respond with any relevant information. Overall, two-way SMS can be an effective tool for businesses and organizations to improve customer engagement, communication, and satisfaction. With its real-time communication capabilities and easy setup, it's an increasingly popular channel for businesses to interact with their customers. How to set up two-way SMS for your business. Setting up two-way SMS for your business can be a straightforward process. Here are the general steps to follow. Choose a two-way SMS service provider. There are several two-way SMS service providers available, so research and choose the one that best fits your business needs and budget. Obtain a virtual mobile number or shortcode. Once you have chosen a service provider, you will need to obtain a virtual mobile number or shortcode. A virtual mobile number is a dedicated phone number that can send and receive text messages, while a shortcode is a shortened version of a phone number, usually consisting of 5 or 6 digits. Integrate two-way SMS into your system. Depending on your business needs, you may need to integrate two-way SMS into your existing system or website. This could involve using an API or other integration tools provided by your two-way SMS service provider. Create and send messages. With two-way SMS set up, you can start creating and sending messages to your customers or contacts. Make sure to follow best practices for SMS marketing and avoid spamming your customers. Monitor and analyze results. It's important to monitor and analyze the results of your two-way SMS campaigns to see how they are performing and make any necessary adjustments. Your service provider may provide analytics tools to help you track your results. Overall, setting up two-way SMS for your business can be a valuable investment in improving customer communication and engagement. By following these steps and choosing the right service provider, you can be up and running with two-way SMS in no time. Shuram offer more than transactional messaging using two-way SMS. In today's fast-paced world, communication is key to success. Whether it's for business or personal use, staying connected with the people who matter most is essential. That's where Shuram comes in. We are a company that specializes in providing a reliable two-way SMS service for businesses and individuals alike. Our two-way SMS service is a cost-effective way for businesses to stay connected with their customers. With our service, you can send and receive messages from customers in real time, providing a personalized experience that will leave them feeling valued and appreciated. Our platform is designed to be user-friendly, so you can get started right away without any technical expertise. But it's not just businesses that can benefit from our service. If you're looking for a way to stay connected with family and friends, our two-way SMS service is perfect for you too. With our platform, you can easily send and receive messages with anyone, anywhere in the world. It's a great way to stay in touch with loved ones, no matter where life takes you. At Shuram, we pride ourselves on providing exceptional customer service. Our team is always available to answer any questions you may have and to help you get the most out of our two-way SMS service. We believe that communication should be easy and hassle-free, which is why we strive to make our platform as user-friendly as possible. So why choose Shuram for your two-way SMS needs? We offer a reliable, secure, and cost-effective solution that makes it easy for businesses and individuals to stay connected. Our platform is designed to be easy to use, so you can get started right away without any technical expertise. And with our exceptional customer service, you can always count on us to be there when you need us. If you're looking for a way to improve your communication and stay connected with the people who matter most, choose Shuram. We're here to help you every step of the way.